Now, let me show you how you can rename the extension on your MacBook files. So let me show you how it works. For example, on the screen, I have a random picture. It's a screenshot, but I can right click on it and rename it. And you can see that the whole name kind of like shows up. I can delete it and give it an example name, but there isn't any extension in here in question, right? So what we need to do instead is to right click on it and click on get info. So you need to get more information about that thing. So find the window like this, and one of the things, as you can see right away, we see that it is a PNG image, but below you can click on the name and extension and expand this mode. And currently it is example.png, but the extension is hidden. So what we need to do is to unhide it like this. And as you can see, the name already contains the extension in there. So it's example.png. And now we can close the information window like that. And now if we rename it, we are not only renaming the actual name, but we can actually change the extension, right? So I can literally rename it from PNG to a JPEG, which obviously has its own problems and reasons why you might want to do it, but you can confirm it like this. You're going to get the pop-up that you are actually changing the extension from .png to .jpeg, but let's say I'm going to go with it anyway. And now it is a JPEG, which still kind of works, it's still an image. So I guess if that's the thing you wanted to do, that's how you can achieve it. I hope that I was able to help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in future uploads.